has just released the November 2023 patch for ClickSense Enterprise. We have so many updates in this version, so let's check them out. My name is Zaparoli and this is Click News. Well guys, for starters, we had many visualization updates on this version, so like the last release of August 2023, now we have even more options. But first, I would like to thank Patrick Nordstrom. He's a product manager at Click for making this PDF file right here. If you wanna check this PDF file, I will be leaving the link right here on the description, so check it out. So let's start. First, we have a summary of the updates. So we can see that all those updates are already present in Click SaaS on those days right here. So I'm really glad that Click's making some effort in getting the changes from SaaS to ClickSense Enterprise, okay? And the first one of them is bullet chart styling. Now we can update the font styling in many more charts. Do you guys remember that in the last video we have some updates on the tree map and the others? Now it extends to the bullet chart as well, okay? And now we have also styles for KPIs, all right? We can have chart-specific font stylings for the first and second measure. That's very interesting. Also font family, size, weight, and color per chart. So we can see here on those examples that we can make some crazy KPIs now, and conditional colors have a special section. So we can see here that the KPI object has improved a lot. We have so many new options here, okay? Let's see what's next. Font updates. Oh, more things regarding fonts. So now we can see a preview here of how the font looks. So this is very interesting, okay? Let's see what's next. Filter pane updates. Oh, that's really interesting. Confirm selection and collapse settings. Now we have an option to select directly, no need to confirm. This is very good because we don't have to check the V box, you know, to confirm our filters anymore. So now we have more collapsing styles, always, never, and auto. Okay, we can have it right here. The last version already had some filter pane updates, okay, but now they improved it even more. And here Patrick even gave us some tips on how to make a nice looking button bar, okay, so thanks a lot, man. And the next visual update is line. We can add dividers and decorations to your dashboard. This is very interesting because for us to do that before, we would need some custom CSS, you know, so I'm really glad they implemented this. This will make our applications look very good indeed. Okay, and next we have the rich text chart. This is a new chart that Click has implemented on this version, okay, and is very useful for measure tables, format the output, and control the text. I will definitely check this out with more detail, okay. And talking about straight tables now, we had some improvements on it as well, okay. So we can now monitor our charts, snapshot it, or download it as image. And we also have the multi-page PDF, but this is on SaaS only for now. Maybe on the next version, Click will do this for ClickSense Enterprise. So let's see other changes here. Line chart show conditions, show dimensions and measures based on expressions. Oh, that's very interesting. We did a video about this on the last update, talking about those changes. You basically can control your dimensions and measures by a variable now. So this is very interesting, okay? And finally, my favorite one, it's the update bookmark option. Oh my god, Jesus guys, I have been waiting for this for a long time. Now you can actually update your bookmark selections. This is very interesting because I was in a project. Let me tell you an interesting story. I was in a project 3 weeks ago. It was about mashups, and I was using some bookmarks and applying selections directly on the mashup. And my client has asked me to change some selections on this bookmark, you know. So what I had to do. So I went to my ClickSense app, had to create a new bookmark and apply all the filters I already have and one more. I had to get the ID of this new bookmark and place it on my mashup code. But with this update right here, I would just need to update with the new filter. It is that easy. So thanks a lot Click for this update, okay? Well guys, that was one more episode of Click News. I hope that you have liked it. So please give me a like down below and a comment down there. That helps me a lot, and I will see you on the next video. Zaparoli out!